How to fix Claude account banned or suspended. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, you can simply go ahead and submit an official appeal. So you can go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Claude Support Center. Now, once you are in a Claude Support Center, you can simply go ahead and make an appeal. Make sure to include attachments such as your account email, your suspension screenshot, and also your billing receipt along with explanation of normal uses. And make sure to use statements such as you've not violated any kind of guidelines of Claude and see if that helps. If not, then just in case if you are connected to any kind of VPN services, then go ahead and simply disable the VPN and then close all the apps running in the background and reopen Claude and see if that helps in fixing your issue. If not, then you can go ahead and verify your identity. So if Claude asks for verification, you might need to upload your valid ID, a complete selfie verification, and follow the email instructions carefully. Also, if you try to log yourself out and then log back in too often, then you might face this issue as too many retries may worsen automated fraud detection. So wait for several hours and avoid constant login attempts and make sure not to create too many replacement accounts. Also, you can check your billing problems. So tap on your profile icon and then tap on the billing option you see there and check your billing problem and make sure to verify that your card is still working and no bank dispute exists and your payment info matches your reason, as sometimes suspicion come after chargebacks or failed payments or suspicious card activities. See if that helps you in fixing your issue, and if not, then if you are using Claude in a browser, then if you have extensions such as automatic tools or scraping extensions, then you might need to go ahead and remove that kind of extensions, as sometimes extensions can trigger automated security systems. Also, make sure to avoid violating policy prompts. So, make sure that Anthropic may suspend accounts for repeated policy violations. So, avoid requests involving malware, phishing, copyright circumvention, harmful instructions, and spam automation. See if your issue is fixed yet, and if not, then you can simply go ahead and wait for a manual review, as appeal responses may take longer, so you can simply wait and the restoration will occur within a few days. Also, make sure to use only Claude official apps and make sure to avoid clients' unofficial APKs and unauthorized wrappers. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Claude account banned or suspended. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.